I bet she's not like me, she's hot and fancy free, freedom with the boys with all her charm. But I still love her so, and brother, don't you know, I welcome her right back here in my